everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are
Turn right onto 5th Main Road, then turn left.
okay, our navigation is telling us where to go. So we are going to a place to Uta.
Uncle, right?
Right.
We are going for lunch and I'm gonna review that place because we are searching for this place and going to have lunch. It's gonna be a bit different, that's what we heard. So let's see how it is.
Take the next left toward 5th Main Road, then turn left onto 5th Main Road.
Okay, thank you. So let's see how the taste is and what is different about this particular place. If you like this video even a bit, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.
Take the next left onto 5th Main Road, then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, we are about to reach. So I'll shoot once we reach there. Yeah. So this is the place which is called the Bamboo Restaurant. Yeah, it is on first floor. It was really nice. I can't say it is Kammanahalli, it is Kalyan Nagar. Yeah, so this is the timing of the Bamboo Restaurant. And the ambience was really good. As the name says, the ambience also was made up of bamboos. Bamboo everywhere, bamboo. So it was really nice, pleasant. It was not very crowded, but it was not very empty also, I could say. I think there were about 13 tables, but in which 6 tables were full and rest were empty. So there was proper social distancing here, and it was quite good after a long time being out with family for lunch. So this is the menu of Bamboo Restaurant, and it was not very expensive, I could say. It was quite reasonable itself, and quite varieties were there, especially the main dish, which is a surprise. I will show you all. The final dish would be a surprise. That is the speciality of this restaurant. So that dish I will show you all at the end. So this is what we have ordered: ghee roast, prawn ghee roast, sorry. And so these were the menu. Quite interesting. We ordered quite a few dishes. Let's see how it's gonna taste. Here is my mom still deciding on what she wants, and my husband busy with his phone, and my little one sleeping, so I could peacefully eat and vlog for y'all. This our first dish is here on our table, the prawn ghee roast. It was so yummy, and it was so yummy that we ordered another plate of the same dish. So definitely do try this dish if y'all are at this place. And this, by chance, we ordered this crispy fish. It was so yummy. We actually wanted fish fried in bamboo leaf, but that was not available on that day because it was a Sunday, so I think it was all over. So instead of that, we ordered this, but still it turned out to be a very yummy one. So third dish we ordered was mutton chops. So this also was good. I don't eat mutton, so my husband told yes, it was really yummy. So I believe in him. Do try this dish. So this is one of the main dishes in this restaurant. Basically this is biryani cooked in bamboo leaf. Sorry, banana leaf. Oh god. Yeah, so biryani cooked in banana leaf. It was seriously so yummy. They did inform us it is not gonna be spicy the same way it was not spicy, but yummy. This is actually called kili or kilzi biryani, which is actually wrapped like pouch. And this is the main dish of the restaurant. It is the bamboo biryani. Oh guys, this is the most amazing biryani I ever had. It was so yummy, and to see this coming out of this bamboo, the bamboo, whatever. It was looking so amazing the way they bring it hot and put it on our plate. To see this itself, we can actually go to this restaurant, and yeah, it makes a day special, a special outing, special meal you can have at this restaurant with this bamboo biryani. Yeah, they have varieties of this biryani like chicken bamboo biryani or mutton bamboo biryani, prawn, fish, so many varieties. So we actually ordered mutton bamboo biryani and chicken kilzi biryani. I think that is called kilzi or kili, I don't know. But yeah, prawn biryani was not available that day, so I actually wanted prawn biryani. But anyways, so if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook too, which the link will be given in the description box. And thank you for watching my video, and keep watching all my videos. Until then, bye bye.